Alright, let's see. There's this way, like, he's looking for the presents. Yep, he's looking for the presents. What does he find under the tree? He finds a bone. And then he goes to the window.
Ho, ho, ho.
Ho, ho, ho. He found Santa. And who are these people?
Reindeer.
Reindeer. What do the reindeers eat? What do we...
Here.
Yes, we left them carrots. Good girl.
Reindeer eating.
Yes, they're going to eat the carrots you left for them.
Action. Reindeer cute. Eat cute.
They're going to eat the carrots.
Eat cute.
Good girl. What's it eat? There's a present.
Hey.
Hey.
Hey, doggy.
Hey, doggy.
Hi. Hi, doggy.
Hi, doggy.
Hi, doggy. Hi, doggy. Hi, doggy.
Hi. You're so funny. Mwah! You should give Elmo a kiss. Mwah! What about other Elmo? All right.